I don't think it's a good idea, Neil.
Look, George, look, they want me. I'm a TikTok star. Look, I do health and safety. They want me back. Let's go in. Let's just.
You've been banned from the shop.
Let's just come on, shut up, let's go. Oh yeah, hi there. Yeah, welcome back to my name's Neil Thomas, and just bringing in and telling you all about the fantastic products we got here on the.
Get out! You're not allowed to do TikTok.
Oh, come on, boys. You know I love a TikTok.
It's a sales outlet.
Oh, and it's customers coming in and everything. Oh, go on. Oh, for Christ's sake.
You're around doing TikTok. How could you?
Neil, I told you it's not going to work.
I've got a plan, look. Joe.
No.
Pin-up boy.
No, he's going to know it's you.
No one's going to know it was me. Look, it's just like he's had a couple of pies or something. Nobody's going to know.
He is.
No, look, watch. Put this on here like this, huh? Ta-da! All right, mate.
Neil, you're not going in. You're not going in.
All right, James. All right, mate.
You've got a bit of weight, have you?
Yeah, just cut past it. Well, look at the sale we got on here. It's over here, and it's down there. Come on down to the Powersite, innit, mate? Because, like, you know, I'm Joe, and you know, you can see us on the Powersite, and yeah, down in yeah.
Powersite, online or in store, unless of course you're Neil, and then you're just not welcome.